This is the DJI wireless microphone. Yeah, they don't just make drones. They have created this powerful and portable wireless microphone with a plastic case. As for the audio quality, I'm recording the video using this mic, so you can be the judge of it. At first glance, you see the DJI branding on the top of the lid, and it has these rough diagonal lines for better grip and 4 tiny LED indicators to show the remaining power. On the back of the microphone casing is a Type-C charging port. Now, let's see what's inside the case. As I open this case, it has a main receiver with the OLED touchscreen on the center, a camera mount clip, and 2 transmitters on both sides. And if I turn the casing like this, you will see a lightning connector and a Type-C connector. The whole unit feels heavier, but DJI Mic is packed with more accessories like a receiver unit, Type-C, and lightning connectors for better functionality. Also, both transmitters have metal clips to attach them to your t-shirt or jacket. But if you want to tuck your transmitter under the shirt, then you can use these strong magnets to hide them. The receiver unit can be mounted on a camera with this clip and can be connected using a Type 2.5mm audio jack. If you're using a phone or laptop, then you can use the Type-C and lightning connectors. The DJI microphone also comes with best connectivity function. According to the DJI official site, the brand promises up to 250 meters of stable transmission in open fields. But is this information true? To check this information and outdoor audio quality, let's go outside. I have walked about 50 meters from the receiver unit, and this is the audio output. Now let's move an additional 50 meters away. And this is the audio quality from about 100 meters away. Now you can listen to the change in audio quality if there's any. Moreover, the DJI mic has a noise cancelling feature that helps in windy and noisy environments. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. The DJI mic can be used for various indoor and outdoor audio recording scenarios. It is highly versatile and can provide up to 14 hours of non-stop audio recording with its 8 GB of internal storage. In case your transmitter gets disconnected from the receiver, then don't worry, because its backup recording feature easily integrates the recorded audio once it is relinked to the receiver. Also, both of the DJI Mic's transmitter units have an audio jack, so if you want to hide it from the camera, then you can add a wired mic and tuck it under your clothes. The DJI receiver and both transmitters have 320 mAh lithium polymer battery that gives about 5 hours of battery backup, which is enough for extensive audio use. The DJI receiver and both transmitter units have a 320 mAh lithium polymer batteries with about 5 hours of battery life, which is enough for extended audio recording sessions. If you forget to bring your charging case, then don't worry. You can externally charge the receiver and transmitters using a Type-C charging cable in about 70 to 80 minutes. Talking about the DJI charging case, it has 2600 mAh of lithium polymer battery that can provide both transmitters and receiver up to 15 hours of battery life, so you don't have to worry about charging it frequently. However, despite having the 2 hours and 40 minutes of charging time on the official DJI site, this mic's charging case takes more than 3 hours. The DJI mic is one of the best microphones for professional work. If you're looking at this product to level up your production quality, then this is the true value for money. However, if you are a beginner and starting your vlog or podcast on YouTube, then you may look for other affordable wireless microphone brands like Boya or Godox. This DJI wireless mic is a versatile and portable solution for high-quality audio recording. Its robust design, comprehensive accessories, and impressive battery life makes it ideal for professional work. If you have tried the DJI mic, then do share your experience in the comments below. If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.